Here is the brace. I just finished welding it in. So, oh, there it is, good. You see, there's a hole there where it lines up for the mounting point. So what I did was I put this on here, and I used my paper template that I made before to locate the center of that hole where the stud sticks out to mount to bolt the bottom of the fender down. And then I assembled the brace to the inside of this piece, and I drilled through it, and then I trimmed. I kept fitting this on here, or I measured down from the top lip right here to where this inner brace came, and then I trimmed off the original piece, and then I had to trial fit it a few times to make sure that inner brace was close to the, it was touching. No, there wasn't a gap. So once I had that all figured out, I just put this Cleco in here. I had it held on like that, and I had this little piece here that I put in here to make sure the door gap was going to be good, and I held it like that, and then I tack welded it, and then once I was happy with where it was, I welded it all out. So now when I go to put this on, I just have to take this Cleco out of here. So I can just put this on now. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but there we go. Anyways, I'll have to do this with two hands to make it go in there, but you can see what I mean. It's gonna fit on there. And now I can trim off. Right here, right along that line, and that'll get rid of this overlap. And then I'll put my Clecos back in. There's a hole there, and that'll correspond to the hole next to it on the patch panel, and everything will line up nice. I'm going to trim off that piece off the top there too. Here we go.